The architecture of meaning, an analysis of clauses and sentences. In the study of syntax, the transition from individual words to cohesive communication is governed by the relationship between clauses and sentences. While often conflated in general usage, these two units represent distinct tiers in the grammatical hierarchy. A clause functions as the logical engine of a thought, while a sentence serves as the complete autonomous vehicle for discourse. The clause, the predicate core. A clause is defined as a group of words containing a subject and finite verb. It is the smallest unit of grammar that can express a complete proposition. However, not all clauses possess the same level of autonomy. Functional classification. Independent or main clauses. These possess the structural integrity to stand alone. They contain a subject-verb relationship that is grammatically complete. For example, the sun rose. Dependent or subordinate clauses. While these contain a subject and a verb, they are introduced by subordinating conjunctions or relative pronouns, instances, because the sun rose. These act as fragments of meaning that require a main clause to anchor them. The finite versus non-finite distinction. A critical analytical distinction lies in the verb's form. Finite clauses are marked for tense and person, whereas non-finite clauses built around infinitives or participles, for instance, having finished the work, cannot function as the primary statement of a sentence. The sentence is the highest unit of syntax. It is an independent linguistic entity that begins with a capital letter and ends with terminal punctuation. While a clause is a structural component, a sentence is a functional unit of communication. Structural typology. Sentences are categorized by the number and type of clauses they contain. Simple, a single independent clause. Compound, two or more independent clauses linked by coordination. Example, and, but, or. Complex, the nesting of one or more dependent clauses within an independent clause. Compound complex, a hybrid structure containing at least two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. Comparison and interaction. The interaction between these two units is best understood through the lens of recursion, the ability to embed one structural unit inside another. The distinction between clauses and sentences is the difference between internal logic and external independence. Every sentence must contain at least one clause, but not every clause is a sentence.